Well, it's finally the time. Second Disney 100 Pixar cars that I'm gonna be reviewing on this channel. Which, aside from Flow, which I just most recently reviewed, if you'd like to check that video out, feel free to do so. So, anyways, here we have is Disney 100 Sally, obviously from the Disney Pixar Cars Disney 100 main line. As you can see right there, so pretty much same sort of deal with Flow. We're gonna start on with the review. By the way, starting off with the package, has the Disney 100 logo, Disney Pixar Cars, some Disney characters, which we have is James P. Sullivan from Monsters Inc., Monsters University, Woody from Toy Stories 1 to 4, Dory from Finding Nemo and Finding Dory, Anima Queen from Cars 1 to Cars 3, also from Cars on the Road and Cars Toons, Miguel from Coco, actually I'm mentioning the name right now, Mrs. Incredible from The Incredibles, or aka Elastigirl. Then right here it has the Mattel logo in a red circle, metal. The back it pretty much shows pretty much the same as Flow's card. This says there has the Disney 100 again, Disney Pixar Cars. Shows McQueen, Sally, which I would be reviewing today, Mater, Flo, which I most recently reviewed, Ramon, and Doc Hudson, or Doc, or aka the Fabulous Hudson Hornet. So let's get her out of her package. So pretty much or so like very exciting videos coming out this coming maybe like days or so. Like I'm also gonna doing some of my of the very first color changers from the very first merch from Cars on the Road. Which is from wait, let me get them real quick. Actually, well, they're actually hidden somewhere in one of my boxes, so I would be reviewing up next shortly would be on the color changers, Cars on the Road, Cruise, and Mater. You know, with like those like not gonna pretty much spoil it too much, but you know, you already know it's coming. But whatever. So here is Sally once again out of her package, looking very lovely as always. Starting off by looking at her alone. Has a very nice smiling expression though. Very nice blue eyes, or like aqua, maybe like an aqua blue eye, aqua colored blue for her eyes, which resembles like, I guess, water, maybe, like whatever. I like the metallic blue, that metallic dark blue that they actually painted on her hood. Especially the most attracted silver paint on these guys. Painted headlights, which are now painted silver, which before they were not painted. Mouth wide open, so you can see, like, you can see her tongue. You can see also her teeth right there, and then gray wheels or tires. Mirrors are actually, I guess, like not made out of like soft rubber. They're actually almost like attached to the main metal body of these cars. Windows are now gray. Not sure, I better check my... Surely my Flow has like the same... Yeah, they're actually now painted in gray. And then no more license plate painted in as well. Along with the tail lights. Also the trunk, which there's also to be like a tattoo placed on here, like the Sally with tattoo variant, which to be honest, like pretty much a rare pretty much a rare release back then from 2015, actually a 2015 release as a chase piece. Exhaust. The other side. Gray wheels again. Just the front again, and then the with the eye plate, the black outlining around the eyes, which I don't normally mention on these, which it's actually now my very first time in mentioning. Also along with Flow, by the way, outlining on along the eyes. So comparing now side to side with some now comparing along side by side with some Sallys that I have in my collection that I may think that they are actually similar, very closely similar to this Disney 100 Sally. Here's first off the OG Sally 2006 model of Sally, which is this wide, chunkier model. And right until 2018, until they actually reverted her into that thinner model, into like late 2017, that Radiator Springs Classics line, along with that like Sally with Tattoo, which was like a re-release. She would get on right a sec. Gee, mine is already nearly damaged. It's already like popping off. No, like this, the rivets on this thing, it's like holding, it's not actually holding that much longer. Anyways, same colored eyes. As for the headlights, before they were gray, now they're actually just painted on. no more silver rims, and they actually painted over the tires as well into from black to gray. They also painted on the painted in the tail lights along with the Carrera logo, also with the license plate, which says somehow 301 PCE, California. Wow, I can't believe I go. Also, by the way, also with the windows, which before they were this dark grayish type of color, and then now they're actually painted gray. I don't know if I actually mentioned that already. Maybe not, but so that's that for this. So that's that for the OG Sally. Next up is this late 2017 / early 2018 Sally, which was released from that Toys R Us like exclusive line, which was a Radiator Springs Classics mainline. Pretty much, I guess, almost. Most likely, maybe they actually used the much thinner model of Sally, or they actually reverted back pretty much to the thicker, much chunkier model of Sally. Here, like, the headlights are much detailed, along with the Porsche logo. Wait, also, by the way, the Porsche logo, oh, it's still present. By the way, it's still present on the oops, accidentally knocked something over. On the Disney 100 one. Once again, silver rims and black tires, which are already now painted in gray. There you go, there's that pinstripe tattoo along with this like spoiler maybe, or like the open trunk of Sally as seen from the movie. Same license plate as the original one, like the one I showed you earlier, which is 310 PCE, California, which they actually completely colored it in silver, they pretty much covered it in along with the tail lights, also with the headlights. Nearly forgot to mention. This one also has, by the way, some details on the headlights which are unique. It's not only a plain, they're not only plain red tail lights, but it has like that white sort of stripe on top of it, which makes it more unique. That's all. That's along with the 2017 / late 2017 / also early 2018 Sally with tattoo, by the way. Then now we're moving on with the most commonly, I guess, nearly similar, which is the Metallic Sally, released in 2019. Has very much also the thinner model, very nice. The thinner and accurate model of Sally, which cars collectors like me are all been wanting ever since her first release, ever since like her 2006 release, like a lot or tons of complaints about that. Pretty much. Then that's that. Then last but not the least is, I can't believe they actually reverted back to the chunkier model of Sally. They actually brought in back the chunkier model of Sally in the not actually fan favorites line from the Pixar Fest line. This actually maybe is the Wave 2, the Pixar Fest line. The Wave 1 was actually like 2020. Yeah, I'm right. 2020, and then 2021 is the Wave 2, which consists of 4 characters. Mainly it's supposed to be only 3. Same as the 2021, which is that considers Ramon, Mater, and McQueen. And then here it consists of McQueen, Sally, Ramon, which is a white variant now, and Luigi and Guido. They actually removed Mater from that line, but whatever. Whatevs. The metallic blues on these are not actually all that similar, but it's not really actually all that similar, but yeah, it's fine, I guess, but whatever. Even on this same thing with the metallic Sally here, it's a lot darker on the Pixar Fest one compared to the 2019 metallic variant of Sally. So that's it. So I just hope, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this very not so like, I just hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys subscribe and give this video a like, share it with your friends, and once again, this is Disney Pixar Cars Fan saying peace.